Hi there, students. Hide nor hair. I've seen hide nor hair of him since last Friday. It's a week since I've seen him. Okay, if you say I haven't seen hair or hide, I've seen hair nor hide of somebody or something, it means you have no idea where it is. You've seen no sign, no sight of something. Yeah, I haven't seen hair nor hide of my neighbour for a couple of weeks. I hope she's okay. I haven't seen hide or hair of the cat for a couple of hours. Do you think you could see if you could find her? Yeah? Where's your mother? She's always pottering around, but she seems to have disappeared. I've seen neither hair nor hide of her. Yeah, I've seen hide nor hair of her. So I haven't seen a trace. I haven't seen the smallest sign. I haven't seen a vestige of her. Yeah. Okay. I haven't seen anything of this person for a period of time. I've seen nothing at all of them. I haven't seen the slightest trace. I've seen neither hair nor hide of your sister for a couple of weeks. What's she doing? Yeah, it's like she's disappeared. She's sunk without trace. This is something that you say where you're saying that you haven't seen someone anywhere for a very long time. I haven't seen hair nor hide of him for ages. Yeah, I haven't seen hair nor hide of you in months. And now you suddenly appear asking me for money. Okay, so you definitely haven't seen them. You have no idea where they are. So hair nor hide of someone, not a trace, not the smallest piece of evidence. It's something that's missing. The police looked for the stolen property, but they couldn't find hair nor hide of it. Yeah, they could find hair nor hide of it. It just wasn't there. They looked for evidence of her guilt, but they could find neither hair nor hide, or neither hide nor hair of this. So, yeah, after he retired, since he's retired, we've seen neither hide nor hair of him. He's disappeared. He's sunk without trace. There's just negative. He's just not there. Yeah, neither hide nor hair. Neither hide or hair of. Let's see. The hide talks about the skin. Yeah, an animal hide is the skin of an animal. So you haven't seen the skin, the hide, nor the hair. So not the hair as well. Let's see, formality. I've seen neither hide nor hair of him. I would probably give this a 3.5, maybe a 4 in formality. I would use it informally in a semi-formal conversation. I'm not sure I would use this written. I think it's something I would say primarily. I guess you could write it in a semi-formal writing, just about, but I think it's normally better for something oral. Okay, so I've seen neither hide nor hair of him. I haven't seen the skin nor any of his hair. Completely disappeared. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Neither hide nor hair of somebody or something.